This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Up to $10,000 closing cost assistance, $10,000 credit for fence installation after closing and driveway paved for free. Milton's Landing, offering the Cambridge model and ready for November 21st delivery in a new community with paved roads. This model features 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths on a 1+/acre lot. Full basement, stainless steel kitchen appliances, granite, luxury vinyl plank flooring, carpet, and more. Ideal setting, close to amenities. Unheard of value in this new community. Great commuter location. Includes LP gas fireplace. Corner lot. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263-2121.